Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you and I hope that you will join me. This week I mainly went shopping for my supply box. So I picked up my favorite items again. I picked up my liquid adhesive. I love using this adhesive. It works really well. I bought 5 of those. I also picked up the double-sided tape. I like buying these because it is a very good buy. I can go online and buy like a whole bulk, but when you have to pay attention, and even though the price is good, sometimes you only get a small amount of tape. But these ones, the ones that come from the Dollar Tree, you get 33 feet. So that's about that much. Look at that. That is a lot of tape. And I bought 10 of these. I enjoy using those tapes from our favorite store. I also picked up some paint. I have not used this paint from the Dollar Tree yet. Now the brand is Rich Archaeology. And let's see. It does not say where it comes from. Well, no, here it goes. It's Rich Art, North Vale, New Jersey, made in USA. So you get 4 fluid ounces. And I picked up the lavender, the white, scarlet, and the violet. I want to give these a try. And it says that they're multi-purpose, safe and non-toxic, water soluble. And it is good for paper, canvas, cardboard, and wood. It is also good for screen and block printing. Oh, have you guys ever done that screen painting? Oh, you guys should give it a try. And a little side note. I also picked up some tempera paints. I picked up some glittered ones. Let me see. I picked up 3 of the glittered ones. This is what they had in stock. So I picked up the green one. I picked this looks like it's purple, and a red. It does not say what color. It's just one of those you have to guess kind of tube. But they are tempera paint, so I got these 3. I am on the watch out for the rest of the colors that they have in glitter. So those are glitter, and then I have just the basic colors. So this one, I'm guessing it's violet. It is similar to that, or it could be purple, and that's the pink. Oh wait, hold on. Nope, I did not notice. So these 2 are tempera paints, the pink and the white. And then these are acrylic paints. The black, the purple, and the orange. I did not pay attention to that. I thought they were all tempera paints. I may have to go switch these out and make sure I get my tempera paints. But just so you're aware, pay attention to that. I did not do that, so. But we'll see. I might just hang on to that. I also picked up some containers for my paint helpers. I picked up these plastic condiment cup with lids. I like using this because that way I can mix my paint in these containers here. When I'm done, I can just toss it. I picked up 2 bags of those, and you do get 10 cups. And then I picked up this mini wavy plates also. See there? And these are also good too. I like putting my chalk paint in here. And then when I'm done, I can just toss it too. You know, have you ever tried to clean chalk paint off your paint tray? It is a nightmare. At least for me it is. So I picked up 2 of these, and you get 12 pieces in that. This week I also picked up some more fabric. I found the red and the black buffalo plaid. Look at this. I like the scale on this one. The squares are much smaller than I normally see. I like that option. So the squares are a 1/2 inch. I like that because it gives me more option to work with the 1/2 inch than if I were to have a full inch. So I like this one. I'm glad I found the red and the black one. A couple of weeks ago I also picked up the white and the black. So I'm quite looking forward to using my materials. I also picked up some stickers. Now, these stickers almost look real. So you get your shades of yellow and you get your shades of pink. And they are, you know, addition to all the color and the depth on these roses, they're embossed on the edge. If I can get that without the glare. See there? Isn't that pretty? So cute. So I picked up 2 of these, and you get 12 pieces each, and it just says magic on. I also picked up the red roses. Look at that. So cute. It almost looks like it should be soft to the touch. They did a very good job. So you get 13 pieces, and it also says magic on. And then I picked up this one. This is the rub on transfer, and I needed the old world style alphabet, so I picked this up. Well, they only had the one, so I was quite glad I found it. I can always use the floral print and the numbers on another project. So if you ever see these rub-on transfers at the dollar store, at our favorite store, you know, the Dollar Tree, pick it up. It's a very good buy. Next, I found faux leather. Now this is a repurchase for me, but I just wanted to make sure you're aware that Dollar Tree is restocking. So I found it in the brown, the black, the white, and the navy. And then let me open it so I can show you, give you a closer look. So here is the brown one. So these come in 11.75 inches by 20 inches. And this is what the underside looks like. So this is the brown. Here's the black. Oops. See there? And the white. The back side. And the navy. Nice, huh? I like these. I'm glad I found those. Let me move these aside because I have more to share with you. I found, well, you know what? They always have hand soap, but I picked up the Novell hand soap, and this is the Fresh Berries. I love the scent on this one, so I picked up a couple more of those. I also found the one by Soft Soap, and then this is the Soft Rose. It's such a pretty smell. I love those. So I picked up 2 of those. And then I also found this one. This is by Soapbox, and it is sea minerals and blue iris. And this one is a gentle moisture with aloe and shea. This is the first time I've seen this one at the Dollar Tree. And it does smell really good too. Look at this. Soap equals hope. So we learn something new every day. I picked up 2 of that, and those are for my enjoyment. Speaking of enjoyment, I picked up this little toy. Now, this is one of those water game, and it has the little rings that you have to pop. You get the air pocket or the air puff, and then it's supposed to land on the ship. Now, there was a couple of different versions of this game. I don't remember what they were, but I picked up the spaceship one. I figured I need some entertainment while I'm waiting for my videos to download and to upload, and waiting on YouTube to okay me. And so I picked this up, a new entertainment for myself. When I'm done, and I'll just set it in the living room and let everybody else have a play at it. So our favorite store, the Dollar Tree, has some new sheer ribbon. These I have not seen before. Now these are like the vibrant colors. Before, I've only seen the pastel sheer ribbons. So you get the purple, the yellow, black, the sea foam, navy, gray, hunter green, and the lighter blue. So look at that. Such vibrant colors. I picked up 2 black and 2 gray. And then I just picked up the 1 colors in this shade here. I use the gray and the black more than I do all the other colors. But I thought this was some really nice sheer ribbon. And of course they are 100 polyester, and you get a 5/8 inch by 18 feet, 6 yards of ribbon. It is a very good buy. So I picked up those. I'm quite happy I found those. And then I also found, well, actually not find, let me rephrase. I did a repurchase. I picked up some more metallic ink pens. These have not been out in a while, but I was quite surprised to find them. I picked up this shade here. I picked up 2 of those, and then I picked up 2 of these. Now, if you have managed to pick up the black notepads, like the sticky pads like this, that comes in black, these work really, really well on those, or just any black paper. So if you ever find these, snatch it up. And then let's see what else. I did find some Valentine items, and let me show you. So I picked up these scratch stickers. So you get 15 of the small ones, and they come in 3 different shades. I only found it in the red and in this one here. It comes in these 3 shades like that. So you get 6 in the large ones. I've seen these before, and I was hesitant to pick these up. But I was reading the back, and it says you can write your own word and image first, and then you attach the sticker on top. Isn't that neat? I like that. So I'm quite glad I decided to read the back side and to pick these up. Because I was thinking that there was already a message under there, so that's why I didn't want to pick it up. You don't have to use it just for Valentine's. You can use it for whenever. And then the other Valentine item I picked up are these. See there? These are, oh, it just says decor. Now, it's one of those hanging 3-piece hearts. But I plan on taking this apart and using it as an ornament on my big tree, or my big Valentine tree. So I think they'll work out really well. It'll look really cute. So I picked up 3 of these. And then I did pick up a couple of Easter items. And they are ribbons. I know, I'm on a ribbon thing. So I picked up this pink polka dot one. Look at that. It is an ombre ribbon, but it was with the Easter stuff. And it is 3/8 inch by 9 feet. So I have the pink white polka dot, and then I also picked up this one. This is the violet one. See? Violet with the white polka dots. And then this works really well with my Valentine theme. So I'm quite happy to pick those up. And I did pick up one more Valentine item, but that one is from Walmart. And let me show you. See, it was 98 cents. It's 5/8 inch by 9 feet. And this ribbon looks like this. I like this one. This is really cute. I love the pattern on that. So I picked that one up. And I'm glad I found that one. So one additional item. And I'm glad that I had a chance to share all my finds with you guys. And I hope you enjoyed visiting me today. Well, I had fun shopping at the Dollar Tree. You know, Dollar Tree, thank you for making me happy again. I'm glad I picked up these stickers. These are so really, really cute. And of course, if you see the metallic pins, pick them up. Give them a try. And same thing for these stickers. I'm glad I finally decided to pick those up. You know, I'm glad I finally decided to read the back. And of course, I'm going to give all these paints a try. I'm going to see how they work. If you have, let me know. What do you think of them? The temper paints and the acrylic paint. And if you need some trays for your chalk painting, these are great to use. And I hope that you give them a try. I have my double-sided tape and my liquid adhesive. Well, I am glad that my Dollar Tree is still keeping my favorite products. Even though they raised the prices, I still have my favorite products, and I'm willing to go back anytime I need them to get more. But thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.